In this video, we'll show you what to do if the clock widget or the clock app is missing from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the most obvious reason why the widget may be missing from your phone is if you have accidentally removed it. Now to add it back, you can long press anywhere on the home screen and then tap on this widgets option at the bottom. Now here scroll down and then select clock from the list. Now here you will see a bunch of options. You can select the option that you like and then tap on add. You will also see some extra option in this weather app. So for instance, if you go down here, you will see this option. So you can simply add it. Now if the clock app doesn't appear in the widgets list or in the app drawer, it's likely that you have accidentally hidden the app. In that case, long press anywhere on the home screen again and then tap on the settings option. Now here scroll down and then select this hide apps on home and app screen. Here you should see the clock app. Simply tap on this minus icon on top of it and then tap on done. Once you do this, you should be able to find the clock app in the app drawer. Now if nothing else works, your last option is to simply head to the Galaxy store and then search for the clock app. It should say Samsung Electronics as a developer. Once you find it, simply download the app from here and then you can open it like this.